We are welcome to this channel. In this video we are looking at how to make money online, how you can make money from buying shares from big companies. No wasting of time. We'll start from straight away. You can check out here, you can see Google Finance. Go to your browser, check Google Finance. In my previous video I have done video on how you can create a broker account to be able to buy shares from Amazon, from Facebook, from Meta. So if you're not watching the video, go and watch the video, and then let's move on. Remember to subscribe and share, and so that you can get more notification from us. So basically there are many ways you can make money online from Nigeria. You can make money from buying shares. You can see this is US based shares. This is a share of Alpha Incorporated. Let's check out this Google share. Alpha is a parent company of Google. So you can see this particular share over the previous 5 years. It has done more than 4,732%. So this is how, if you try buy this share when it was, let's say $20, now you would have been sitting at a high profit. So basically, let's check out another share here. Let's check out Amazon share. Amazon. Most of us are buying things on Amazon, but you don't need to even earn money from Amazon. You can basically buy shit from Amazon. Let's say let's check the profits, the profit for the maximum. See this profit, you can see how it are risen. This how the stock are risen from here, from 0 to up to this stage, and this is whooping 1,500, 1,000. What I want to see is 158,000% that Amazon share have done within these 5 years. So basically, you need to really create an account if you want to make money from home, from buying shares. These are cool money. This is not though it is on your own risk, but you need to do your own analysis, and that's what we are doing here. Even Nigeria shares, let's check out Nigeria shares too, or that you can see how they are performing too. This is Zenith Bank. Yeah, this Zenith Bank. You can see within this period of time that we check for that other ones. So let's see how far it has done within the previous year. This Zenith Bank, it has grown from this around $24 to $30, so which around 33% up. So you can choose the one you want. Basically, I think the ones for US are more profitable from here, from what we are seeing. You can see, let's go back to the US. So this Amazon have done 158,000% as compared to the Zenith Bank PLC. So basically, I personally go for global or for international one, US based. Let's check out another US based share here that I can buy from our broker I taught us in the last video. Let's check out Apple share. This Apple share here is loading. Okay, so this is Apple share. In the last 5 years, in the last years, it has done 211,000%. So literally, if you have $1 in this account, you will have made 201,000%. So these are how we can check it out. Basically, in this video we are showing how you can analyze yourself and make decisions. You know, because we have ways we can make money online. Imagine you buying these shares when it was at $1, $2, and now as it is now, you can do your analysis and check once the share drop, because it normally have its own bull and bear patterns too. So you can watch it out and check it out. Like you can see, this share rose from here and it goes up like this, and you want to reach a drop. So this is like a better time to buy. If you buy here and it goes up again, you can sell. Once you come down, you can buy. So you can actually trade money here, or you can buy and leave it for a long time. These are giant companies, you know. These are tech companies. They are growing. That one thing you can know. This is not a quick scam business. If you want to make money from companies that are realistic, this company, they sell product, Apple phone, Apple laptop, Apple iPad, several things. Even Google. If you let's check out the one for Meta. Let's check out Meta. Meta is a parent of Facebook, and the rest. So this is Meta in the last 5 years maximum. You see it has done 733%. so if you check out Meta profit and or the range, that's the profit margin, you can see compared to others it's as if it's low. So one can easily go into this, because if this, before it will do 100,000%, one can also make money, make profit. So basically this is a share now for Meta compared to the other ones that we just did. If you see, we can see from here that there is more opportunity, there appears to be more opportunities here, though this is not financial advice. Make analysis. You can see the market cap here of Meta. This is the day range. You can check out all these things. This is the previous close. This is the close for yesterday. It closed at $215,000, but today this is the price today, meaning that it has risen based on the last price, that it risen up to $3 within 24 hours. Now the daily range today, it has been trading between $215 to $221. So this analysis you need to do by yourself. The yearly range for Meta, this is it ranges from $94 to $230, $94 to $330. So that's the range of the price for the last 1 year. The market cap is $819 billion. So these are big companies that if you put your money here, you don't be afraid that maybe it will go to zero. This is a multi-billion-dollar company. Average volume that it does, like a day, is 22 million per day, and this is the ratio, profit and earn ratio. So you need to do your own research. Also, this is not financial advice, but this is how I do my own research to know when to key in. So remember to subscribe and share to this video. Remember subscribe and wait for. I'll give you 1 minute to subscribe. 1 second. Okay, subscribe and share. So I'll do more update on all these kind of videos where you can learn how to analyze the market and also make money. Okay, quick one before we close this video, let us check another Nigeria based company here, because we need to compare and contrast. Which are we checking now? Let's check out for let's say Owando Oil. This is Owando Oil, Lagos, based in Lagos. Let's check it out and see. We're trying to compare the American based stock and Nigeria based stocks. So this is Owando PLC. Owando PLC have done so far. See, it's raised from $4.11, raising to up to $14, and now it's down to $9, around $9.04. So, and if you check out the percentage so far, let's check out the percentage so far, how the market is performing. So this is it. So it means that it went to a little bit downtrend, raising up here and come down within this range within this 1 month. You can make it on you can put it on monthly chart, on weekly chart. So basically, from what you are seeing, the local bonds or the local stock and the international stock, this international stock is performing more than the local stock. So let's check it out. Before I run out this video, I've dropped the link of how you can talk. If you're not watch the video, go and check it out. I'll also be dropping it in the link in the description below. So make sure you check out how you can create an account with a broker to buy all these shares from these companies. This is how you can make money. You can make great companies that can make you wealthy if you know how to enter the trade. You know the best time to buy and the time to sell. These are what you need to check it out.